Yeah, what for me it's brain sapping. Yeah, because it's one of
Tapping.
those. Yeah,
Interesting.
it's one of those exercises that you do not you do not have all this prompt for. So you don't
Okay.
you don't have support. You have to really think deep and then bring out the answer from your inner you.
Hmm.
Okay. Um, Either you just want to write something there and then deceive yourself and move on, or
Hmm.
you want to take your time and really think about who you are. Okay.
Hmm.
I think for me, there are probing questions. There are questions that if you can finish it in 20 minutes if you want to write anything, just want to write anything that will not connect the dots. Of course, okay,
Okay.
garbage in, garbage out, right? So, but if you really want
Yeah.
to have if you want to really connect all the dots I mean, connect the dots as we have started from the module from the first module to where we are now. You need to
Yeah.
really be honest with yourself and sit and take your time to answer the question. So, I provided
Hmm.
the responses to the best of the moment I could connect to my internal self. I try to stay very calm, stay very in a calm place. Some of them are very difficult to answer, but
There are some you didn't even answer at all, sef.
it's just probably only one.
Okay.
Probably only one.
Hmm.
So I think number
Okay.
24, where it's saying if you could reimagine your life from scratch,
Hmm.
what would it look like? I don't even know. I don't even have it. I don't even I never thought of such things. What for me, what does it mean by I mean, what does it mean by scratch? From day one I'm born, or from age
Yes.
10, or from age
What,
5?
define it.
And
That
that's
is, if you
something
had
that
the
I don't know.
opportunity
I don't know. I got confused at
to
that point.
design your
So
life yourself, how would you design it differently? If you had the opportunity to relive your life, knowing what you want to do.
I decided not to for that. I decided not to just really I don't want to get too too spiritual or too religious. But throughout this exercise, I try to drop my my spiritual side and then be objective about this exercise. If
Okay.
not, if not, a couple of things, a couple of things will be saying kadara kadara kadara, and then you won't do anything, right? So
Hmm. Okay.
for this particular questions, I couldn't even imagine. So it's so much like for me, where does the scratch start from? Is it
Hmm.
when you know you exist? Because from age one, you don't know anything. Two, three, four, five, six, probably 10 or 8, you
Yes,
don't know
sure,
anything.
definitely.
So probably it's from when you start knowing when you decide by yourself. Okay.
Well, you've given us an idea already.
Yeah. So I'm just trying to but at the point I just have to drop that to say, hey, I don't know what school. So I know what it is now, and I know what I want to be by this
Okay.
triggering exercise, by this stuff. I know what it is now. I know what is good and what I want it to be. So I don't
Hmm.
want to like dwell on the past and
Hmm.
imagining controlling what is within all my control. So
Hmm.
I struggle with this, and then I just try to like no, I try to bring out an answer from it, but I couldn't. So I just drop it.